So Matt Walksler from Wheels Through Time put together this rusty old knucklehead. He bought it in boxes, put it together, every single nut and bolt. And he's down at the AMC meet in Daytona Beach, Florida, 2023. So he just put this together. It's only got a few miles on it and runs really great. Again, he bought this completely in boxes. The owner had it, took it all apart, every single nut, every single bolt, marked everything up, bagged it all, put it together. This is Buzz Canter from the Buzz Canter YouTube channel down in Daytona Beach, Florida with Matt Walksler.
I'll look for you. See ya.
Have fun, Matt.
All right.
And there you have it, Buzz Canter from the Buzz Canter YouTube channel.